Hello dear friends. As you probably noticed during the day, all sorts of things happen that causes in us a reaction of anger. It can be small little things like spilling some coffee or breaking a plate or dropping something from our head or hand or being late to a meeting or major thing bigger somebody insulted us or said that they will do something and they didn't do it, or something that we expected to happen didn't happen, which is the main reasons always for our anger. When we're expecting something to happen and it doesn't happen, or we're expecting something from someone and they don't do it or don't deliver. Yeah? And then we get angry. So if it's a small little thing, then we tend to sort of forget about it and carry on. And if it's a bigger thing, then we kind of run this scenario in our head and even make ourselves even more angry as we, play the movie in our head with a different character and change a little bit the script. And, yeah. But in whatever way, the anger stays in the system. It accumulates. And it tends to stay in the different tissues, in the muscles, can be in different organs and different parts of the body. It accumulates. And the more there is, the easier it is for it to accumulate. And it gets stuck there. And it blocks the flow of the energy in our system. And if there is a lot of it, then it turns out to be a pain, and then we can have a sickness. So even if we consciously forget about it, still the energy, the result, or the residues of the energy are still in the system, unless we do something deliberately to clean it out. Of course, things happen during the night when we sleep. That's why we wake up refreshed in the morning. But usually we don't sleep enough, and we don't sleep good enough for the system to clean itself fully. There's always some anger held in different parts of our system. So what I'm offering you now is a process that is designed to clean the anger from the system. Yeah? My advice is to do it daily, and I promise you will be surprised with the results. In the same way that you brush your teeth, you clean the house, you wash your dishes, you wash your car, yeah? Clean yourself from the residues of anger in your life. So what you're going to do now, if you have a specific thing that happened that causes anger in you, then start by relating to that anger, aiming to clear it from the system. If you don't have any specific thing, so aim towards clearing generally the anger from your complex, from your body, from your life. Yeah? In the same way, like if you have a stain on a cloth, on a shirt, for example, you clean the stain, and then you just put it in the washing machine for general cleaning. Okay? So, feel the specific anger, or just aim internally to the whole of you. And you tap with two fingers gently on your head, the back of your hand. Repeating after me, please say it aloud. And make sure that you move along the head, don't get stuck in one place. And to it the whole of your system. This anger, I let go. It's okay. It's safe. You just let go. And take a deep breath. The deep breath is an important part of the process, so please don't skip it. I let go of the anger. I don't need it anymore. It doesn't serve me. It doesn't do me any good. I let go. It's safe to let go. It's okay. It is melting away. And it's safe. It's okay. Feel the anger, because it was a specific thing or just generally aimed towards you. I free it from my face, from the skin, from the neck, from my shoulder, from my hands, from the whole of my body. I let it all go. I can feel it leaving me, melting away. It's okay. I don't need to be afraid. I don't really need it. It doesn't protect me. It's like a poison. I don't want it in my system. It's okay if it will live. I'm safe. It's okay if it will live. I'm safe. It's okay. It's okay to cry now. It's okay melting away. I don't need it. It's gone and I'm safe. And take a deep breath. Feel the anger, see the changes, but just see how you feel in your body. If the original anger is no longer there, you can leave it and now work with the different residues of anger in your body. I let it all go. It's safe to let go. It's melting away, evaporating. My face relaxes. My breathing relaxes. My stomach relaxes. It's okay. My back is free. It's soft. It's gentle. I just let go. No need to hold on. No more. I don't want to hold on. No more. I don't want to be a slave. I don't want to be the victim of my anger. I let it go. I trust myself. I trust life. I trust the power and wisdom of life. I trust the kindness of life. It's okay. I let go. As you do the process, the tapping with me, it is possible that you feel things happening in your body. It might be like tingling, it can be a movement of energy in different parts of the body, it can be twisting of the muscles, maybe in the face, in the chest, in different parts. Yeah? It's okay, this is a sign of the releasing of this stuck energy, the body is letting go. Yeah? If you're worried or it's too much for you, of course you can stop. Yeah? Remember, you're doing it and you're responsible for your process. Yeah? I'm just offering you the process, but so pay attention to how you feel. If it's a bit too much for you, and stop, relax, and then you can do it again whenever you feel comfortable again to continue. Okay? But don't worry if you feel all these things. It's a natural way of the body to release and clear itself. I let go. It's okay. It's melting away. It's leaving the body. And it's safe. My face relaxed. My eyes relaxed. My neck relaxed. My body breathes. It's safe, it's okay. An important thing to know is that please do not expect yourself not to get angry. It's impossible. Things happen. Okay? And one of the things that, in the way of getting sad or crying, anger will happen. Because life is complicated and we are complicated and things happen. Okay? So don't expect yourself to walk or go through life without getting angry ever. The important thing is not to get angry, but how quickly you recover from it. Yeah? And how quickly you clear it out of your system. What are you going to do after? So that's why you're aiming. Yeah? It's like, you can't expect to go out into life without getting physically dirty. But then it's okay, you go home, you take a wash, you wash your face, you wash your hands, you wash your clothes. It's okay, so you don't expect not to get dirty, but you can do something about it. So exactly in the same way, okay? It's okay if you get angry, but just do something about it after. As quickly as you can, as soon as you can after the event. Don't drag it. So notice how you feel. And with me. It's melting away, being cleared from the system. And it's okay. I feel quiet now. Peaceful. Settled. White. Space. And it's okay. It's okay to feel like that. It's safe to be kind. Safe to be soft. Safe to be gentle. I simply let go. I trust life. Close your eyes, please. Take a deep breath. And in your mind's eye, see that it's all white around you. There's a white energy surrounding you. And it's soft. And it's kind. Very gentle. And find something in your life you feel gratitude for. And allow yourself to feel the gratitude. And then send it as a light to that person or thing that you feel grateful for. It is light going from you, from your chest to them, with your gratitude. Please open your eyes. Notice how you feel. My advice to do it daily. Clean yourself. Thank you very much. Be kind to yourself, be kind to other people whenever you can. Wishing you all the best. Bye bye.